Welcome back to Passionate About Tech. Let me ask you something. Is your laptop or PC running slower than it used to? Maybe it takes forever to boot. Maybe apps take ages to open. Wondering if today is the day you finally give up and buy a new computer? Well, before you spend hundreds of dollars on a new machine, I want to show you something. Because there is a very good chance your computer is not actually broken. It is just running on an old hard drive. And today, I'm going to show you how to move your entire Windows installation, everything, your files, your apps, your settings, even your game saves, from your old slow hard drive onto a brand new SSD. And the best part? You do not need any technical knowledge to do this. Let's get into it. Let me paint the picture first, because I want you to understand exactly what the problem is and why this fix works so well. Open Task Manager by right-clicking your taskbar and selecting it. Click the Performance tab, then click Disk in the left panel. Look at your disk's active time percentage. If that number is consistently sitting at or near 100%, even when you are not doing anything demanding, that is your hard drive struggling to keep up. A traditional spinning hard drive can only read and write data so fast, and when Windows is constantly asking it for things, it maxes out and everything slows to a crawl. An SSD, a solid-state drive, has no moving parts and is typically 5 to 10 times faster than a traditional hard drive for the kind of random read and write operations that Windows does constantly. Replacing your hard drive with an SSD is the single most impactful hardware upgrade you can make on an older machine. The challenge most people face is this. They have bought an SSD, but they have no idea how to move Windows over to it. And the idea of reinstalling Windows from scratch and setting everything up again is not appealing at all. That is exactly what we are solving today. The tool that makes this whole process simple is called EaseUS Disk Copy. I will leave the download link in the description below. Now, I want to be upfront with you before we go any further, because that is how we do things on this channel. EaseUS Disk Copy is a paid tool. The Pro version, which is what you need for cloning your full system including Windows, is $19.95. There is a free version available, but it does not include the clone system or migrate OS to HDD/SSD features that we are using today. Those are Pro only. That said, $19.95 for software that can save you from buying a new computer worth several $100s is genuinely good value in my opinion. So what exactly is EaseUS Disk Copy, and why use it instead of doing this manually? EaseUS Disk Copy is a disk cloning tool designed specifically for this situation. It takes everything on your current drive, your Windows installation, your personal files, your installed apps, your settings, absolutely everything, and copies it exactly onto your new SSD, sector by sector. When it is done, your new SSD is an exact working copy of your old drive, ready to boot from immediately. Before we start the cloning process, there are two things to take care of. First, make sure your new SSD is connected to your computer. If you are using a desktop, you can install it directly into a free SATA bay or M.2 slot, depending on the type of SSD you have. If you are using a laptop, you may need a USB to SATA or USB to M.2 adapter to connect the new SSD externally while you run the clone, since most laptops only have one internal drive slot. Second, check that your new SSD has enough storage capacity for everything currently on your old drive. You do not need the SSD to be the same size as the HDD, just large enough to fit the used space. Open File Explorer, right-click your C drive, click Properties, and check how much space is currently used. Your new SSD needs to have at least that much total capacity. Once both of those are sorted, download and install EaseUS Disk Copy from the link in the description. The installation is quick and straightforward. In the left panel, you will see several options: Disk Mode, System Mode, Partition Mode, Emergency Disk, and Network Clone. For a full system clone, where we want to move everything including Windows, click Disk Mode. So what exactly is the difference between these modes? Disk Mode clones your entire drive. Every partition, including the Windows System partition, the recovery partition, and all your data. This is what we want for a complete migration. System mode clones only the Windows system partition, useful in specific scenarios. Partition mode lets you clone just one specific partition. For our purposes today, disk mode is the right choice. Once in disk mode, you will see a clean interface with two panels. On the left, a blue plus button labeled Select a Source Disk, and on the right, a green plus button labeled Select a Target Disk. Click the blue Select a Source Disk panel and choose your current old hard drive from the list. Then click the green Select a Target Disk panel and select your new SSD. Once both are selected, you will see each drive displayed in its respective panel. The source on the left, the target on the right. At the bottom, you will notice a Preview Partition Layout checkbox, which is ticked by default. This lets you verify exactly how your data will be laid out on the new drive before committing. Click Next to review the partition preview, confirm everything looks correct, and then click Proceed to start the clone. Before confirming, a quick but important warning. The cloning process will overwrite everything currently on your target SSD. If your new SSD is brand new out of the box, there is nothing to worry about. But if it has any data on it you want to keep, back that up first before clicking Proceed. Once you confirm, EaseUS Disk Copy will begin the cloning process. You will see a progress bar showing the percentage complete and an estimated time remaining. The time it takes depends on how much total data is being cloned across all partitions. Once the clone is complete, here comes the satisfying part. If you installed the SSD internally on a desktop, you are already done. Go into your BIOS by pressing the relevant key as it boots, usually Delete or F2, find the boot order or boot priority setting, and move your new SSD to the top of the boot order. Save and exit. If you were cloning to an externally connected SSD on a laptop, shut down the computer, physically swap the drives, remove the old HDD and install the new SSD in its place, and then power back on. Your computer will boot from the new SSD automatically, with your complete Windows installation, all your apps, all your files, everything exactly as it was. But here is the difference you will feel immediately. That boot time that used to take 2 or 3 minutes, down to 15 or 20 seconds. Apps that used to take forever to open, they launch almost instantly. That 100% disk usage you saw in Task Manager, gone. This is what your computer was always capable of. It was just being held back by the old hard drive. Now, let me be completely honest about a couple of things, because that is how we do things here. First, after the clone, your old HDD will still have all your data on it. Do not immediately wipe it. Keep it as a backup for at least a week or two until you have confirmed everything is working correctly on the new SSD. Once you are confident, you can wipe the old drive and repurpose it as extra storage if you want. Second, on some laptops, after swapping drives, Windows may prompt you to reactivate. If your Windows license is tied to your Microsoft account, which it is for most modern installations, reactivation is automatic and happens in the background as soon as you connect to the internet. If you have a standalone license key, you may need to enter it. So basically, if your computer is slow, do not rush out and buy a new one. A new SSD plus EaseUS Disk Copy is the most cost-effective way to breathe new life into an existing machine. One tool, a few clicks, and your entire Windows setup moves over automatically. No reinstalling, no setup, no lost files. The Pro version is $19.95. For the price difference between that and a new computer, the math is not even close. The download link and discount code are both waiting for you in the description. If you found this video helpful, do me a huge favor. Hit that like button and subscribe to Passionate About Tech for more tips like this one. And if you have any questions about the cloning process, drop them in the comments below. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.